of the things they have now? A. My failure to be with her often. Ah, I wish time returns, and time is old what returns. I take the ride from the hospital to her home. Ah, I hope she comes back. And go back and hit the journey. 10 confrontations, and I spend these minutes or these hours. My advice is not to find yourself an excuse for losing time for any reason in being with your mother. Thank you. What about your father? Isn't he a blessing to you too and worthy of mention? I mean, I raised my sons and daughters on it. I told them that today you have a golden opportunity.